Welcome. If you're curious about how to know if someone has added you on Telegram, you've come to the right place. Understanding your connections on this messaging app can really enhance your communication experience. Let's explore the key signs that can help you figure this out. First up, let's talk about messages. If someone starts a chat with you, it's a clear indication that they have added you to their contacts. This is often the most straightforward sign and can kickstart a new conversation or rekindle an old one. Next, pay attention to their profile photo and status. If you can see their profile picture and status updates, it's likely that they have your number saved as well. This mutual visibility shows a connection beyond just a phone number. It suggests that they are interested in staying in touch. Finally, take a look at your contacts list. When you navigate to the contacts section and see their name listed there, it generally means they have your number saved and you have theirs. This mutual exchange is a solid confirmation of your connection on Telegram. By following these steps, you can easily determine if someone has added you on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.